Hey guys, it's Rebecca. Um, I'm starting off tomorrow on my first day of OptiFast, so I thought I'd try a little bit of vlogging because, I don't know, everyone's doing it, so I thought I'd try it too. So, hi, I'm coming to you from Kitchener, and I wanted to share or document my story, just because gastric bypass can be really scary. So I thought that it would be good if I maybe share with you everything that I'm going through, and then it's also a good chance for me to vent as well. So tomorrow is March the 28th, and it's my first day of OptiFast. Now, if I'm telling you that I'm not scared, I'd be completely lying. I am so freaked out, but that's besides the point. So I have lots to look forward to, so that keeps me centered and excited. So, what brought me here? Well, as you can see, I'm approximately 235 pounds. I am a great height of 5'1", so you can definitely see that I have quite a bit of curves. So I've been trying to get healthy, and for the last probably 12 years I exercise like a maniac. I know it doesn't look like it, but I do work out quite a bit. I do lots of Zumba, but still it hasn't been working for me. So after a few years of trying, I decided that gastric bypass was probably going to be what saves my life, I should say. I also have another comorbid, which is type 2 diabetes, which I developed probably since 2006, I'm going to guess. But I was officially diagnosed in 2008. And that was really scary for me because I have an uncle who passed away after being diagnosed with diabetes. He actually had to have an amputation, so that made it really bad for him. And so that really terrified me. As well as my genetics don't help me. Both sides of my family have overweight problems, as well as heart disease and diabetes. So needless to say, there's nothing I could do to change my genes, and so I am what I am. I haven't always been chubby. I gained weight in 2002. I gained about 90 pounds. I suffered a really bad car accident, which I'm not going to talk about because I'm trying to get over that phase in my life. It's been 12 years, but it's still like every day for me. So I have really bad complications, and so that just kind of led to my weight gain. And so I haven't been able to lose it after I gained 90 pounds within 3 months. So I started my journey in October of 2012, and I will be having surgery on April the 8th. So it's just 2 weeks away, and I'm terrified. My journey through, I will be having it at Guelph General here in Kitchener, Ontario, in Guelph, Ontario. I live in Kitchener. And my surgeon is Dr. Parada Hong. So I met her last week, and she's really nice, answered all my questions, and I'm really confident she's going to do a great job. So what was I saying? Yes, so started in 2012, and I did an intake session like everybody else in January following. So 2013, I had my first session, and then I went to see the nurse and the dietitian as well as the psychologist. I never cried so hard in my life like when I met the psychologist. But having some good conversation, I could see that I had some issues to work through in terms of getting past my roadblock, which for me was my car accident, and everything that came with that. So I've been working really hard to kind of deal with all those emotions and let go of emotional eating. So along with my dietitian, we came up with a great plan to deal with my emotional eating. And so, it's not perfect every day, but I definitely do try. So I probably got the okay from everybody in June of last year, so 2013. But I had gained just a little bit of weight. Unfortunately, I lost my job, so I gained 5 pounds because I went from being super active again to just sitting at home trying to find work. And so, anyways, I gained 5 pounds, and so the dietitian called me back, which can happen, guys, if you gain weight, and gave me some different tips to work through. And so I've come down in weight again. So going into the surgery, I'm 235 pounds. I do start OptiFast tomorrow. So I'm really anxious, excited to see how I do. So I will sign on tomorrow and show you which different things that I've tried. Guys, if you haven't yet, join a support group. They will be your best friends. The people on there give you fantastic tips, and really they just root you along the way. So I've had lots of questions and lots of fears, but we encourage each other and push each other to be better every day. And I really couldn't put a price on how valuable those support groups are. So if you haven't done so yet, please join a support group, get your questions answered, and I wish you all the best on your journey, and hopefully you'll stick with me and see how I do. So signing off for today. Have a super day, and thanks for listening to me.